Hi there, Kendall Lakes Elementary family. I am Mrs. Borges, the Library Media Specialist, and we are the Kendall Lakes Elementary Special Area Department. You can reach out to me specifically if you need help with the parent portal or you have questions or concerns regarding student devices.
I am Mrs. Rance Perez. The students know me as Coach ZP. I am the physical education teacher. You can reach me at Microsoft Teams or Dade School's email.
Hello, my name is Mr. Braithwaite. I'll be the music teacher this year at Kendall Lakes Elementary. You can reach me either through email or through Microsoft Teams. Have a musical year.
Good evening. I'm Mr. B, also known as Mr. Bonacor. I'm the ESO support staff specialist here at Kendall Lakes Elementary. I look forward to working with your child in the classroom. You can reach me via school email or class dojo. I look forward to working with your child. Have a great year.
Hi, I'm Miss Atkinson. I'm the art teacher at Kendall Lakes Elementary. You can communicate with me either through the Dade County School email or through Microsoft Teams. Hope we have a really great year.
Hi, this is Loida Santos, Spanish teacher. This year I will communicating through the school email and class dojo.
Hi everybody, my name is Señora Diego. I'm another one of the Spanish teacher, and I will get in touch with you and with the student through the school email and class dojo.
Good evening, parents. My name is Ms. Aldua Valdez. I also teach Spanish, and I will be communicating with you through Remind for kindergarten parents and through Class Dojo for 2nd through 5th grade. I look for also through dateschools.net email. We look forward to a wonderful 2021-22 school year. Go Tigers!